Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It has been a minute. Yeah, it has been so long since I did a video, and I am back. So today I'm going to try to DIY a dress with these two scarves. I have this white one with very cute prints, yeah, and this basic black one. So I just wanted to show you basically how it's going to look like, because when I put it down it's gonna sound a little bit complicated. So I'm going to take this part, this pointed part. This is what I'm going to put here. Are you getting the vision? Yeah, so this is gonna go here, and then this one will also come here. I'm going to put like straps that will go, like I will tie it up here, and then it will depend on how deep you want your cleavage, you know. So, and then I am going to sew this like this to just close it up. So can you see, this is a square, this is a square. So you see, this is the part where I'm going to put the straps up here and up here. So you're going to sew this way down, of course with the edges. So I am done sewing. I've just sewn from around here to the bottom to like the end. So this is how it looks. Oh, I have really sewn this close, so I'm just going to open it up, but you get the point. So it's supposed to be like that. So what I'm going to do for the back, so that I have another ones, so I'm just going to sew down. I'll sew it like this up to down here, so that it's going to be hanging like that. Yeah. Do you remember where we started? Our cleavage here. That's our cleavage. Then I sewed down like this. Then I started sewing again from here. This is the back. This is the front part. This is where our cleavage is going to be. These points are where the straps are going to be. Then this is just a bare back, and then this is where it closes from. So I sewed like that and up to somewhere here. Yeah. Make sure you can be able to put it on without having to open and stuff. So this is where I'm going to put the straps, like this. And then this is the back. This is how it looks. So this is how I did the back. I sewed it straight like that up to this corner, and then down a bit, like down, so that it is able to cover me properly. This is how it looks. And I was just thinking of spicing it up with a belt. And make sure when you're getting your fabric or your scarf for this scarf dress, make sure they're heavy and not see-through like mine. So mine was for demonstration purposes, but I'm going to wear it when I go to the beach or swimming. I'll use it as a cover up. You know, we're not going to waste this effort. Yeah, you know. So yeah, this is the dress. I really love it. What do you think? Woo! It's a vibe, guys. It's a vibe. This dress was supposed to take like 2 minutes, but just because I was feeling like, I don't know, you guys will not understand, but it's so simple. I don't know why I've been explaining myself so much, and it is such a simple dress. I hope you get it. If you don't, just ask me in the comment section below. I will explain it properly to you. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for 4K subscribers. My God, I am so grateful. Thank you so much. And until the next video, bye guys.